Hello students, this is Varsha Sahib Rao here and I am an assistant professor of English at KJ Somaiya College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Kopargaon. And in this lecture today we are going to discuss the syllabus of compulsory English prescribed for first year BCom. And from this year onward you will have the semester pattern, and that is called as choice based credit system, and we are going to discuss about it. Now, first of all, your syllabus and evaluation system. It is called as choice-based credit system. It is also called as 70-30 pattern. That means there is a semester end exam of 70 marks and 30 marks will be for internal evaluation. So your textbook name is Success Avenue, and last year the syllabus has been changed. The objectives are, first of all, to offer relevant and practically helpful pieces of prose and poetry to students so that they not only get to know the beauty and communicative power of English but also its practical application. Now we are all aware of the importance of English language, and you all know that for it is the global medium of communication. For effective communication you will have to understand the importance of English language, and for that matter the syllabus is designed in such a way that it is related with the practical knowledge of English language, and also there are some pieces of prose and poetry that they should know the beauty of English literature. So there are two parts actually, the language part and the literary part. So this is the objective behind your subject is, it is to let you know the power, communicative power of English as well as the beauty of the literary aspects. So second objective is to expose students to a variety of topics that dominate the contemporary socio-economic and cultural life. That we all are aware that literature is deeply related with society. It is called as that literature is the mirror of society. It represents society, and whatever is happening in society, it get reflected in literature. So through literature there is actually an attempt to let you know the cultural conditions, the socio-economic setups, and to let you know the importance of human values in human life, and so that there are variety of topics which are related to these issues. So third objective is to develop oral and written communication skills of the students, so that their employability enhances. So what are the oral and written communication skills? Now skill is a part of a thing that you will have to acquire by hard work. So there are oral and written communication skills. Language is used in two ways, spoken and written. There are particularly spoken skills and written skills. Both of the skills are going to be discussed in this syllabus to develop the employability of students. That means now you all are aware that it is very important to have the communication skills, the presentation skills, the public speaking skills, and which is deeply related with English language. So that through this syllabus the motto is to develop your presentation as well as communication skills, which are also called as the soft skills, which are hidden and which are the requisite matter of today. So to develop overall linguistic competence and communicative skills of the students, it is also one of the most important objective of your syllabus, that you must be able to speak correctly, to write correctly in English for your practical purposes in life. So syllabus is as follows. In semester first, there are prose units like this. Unit first is The Beggar. The story is written by Anton Chekhov. This is the Russian writer. Unit number second is Black Money and Black Economy. It is written by C. Ram Manohar Reddy. Third unit is The Nightingale and the Rose by Oscar Wilde. And unit 4 is Muhammad Yunus by Farida Khan. These are the four prose units. And in poetry, there are two poems. Unit number 5 is Uphill by Christina Rossetti. Unit number 6 is Stay Calm by Greenville Glazer. And in communication and life skills, as we have discussed, that life skills or soft skills are very most important part of today, and it includes unit number 7, meeting and greeting people and dialogue writing. Unit number 7 is group discussions, interview and interviewing skills, and unit number 9 is presentation skills. So in the first in the 7th unit there is meeting and greeting people and dialogue writing. There are two kinds of dialogues. First is informal dialogue and second one is formal dialogue, and both of the dialogues we are going to be those dialogues are going to be discussed in the syllabus. Next is group discussion and interview and interviewing skills. Now these are the parts of actually we are going to discuss what are the skills required for these formal meetings. And last one is presentation skills. Now presentation is also a kind of a skill, and what are the actually elements that you should study, it is going to be discussed in the syllabus. Now in semester second there are again 4 prose units. Unit number first is Indira Nui, a corporate giant. It is written as a biographical article on Indira Krishnamurthy Nui. Second unit is Apro JRD by Sudha Murthy. Third is the story Fur by the Russian writer Saki, and unit number 4 is After 20 Years by O. Henry. In poetry there are again 2 poems. In unit 5 there is a poem O Captain, My Captain by Walt Whitman, and unit number 6 The Prayer for My Daughter by W.B. Yeats. In communication and life skills there are certain kinds of written skill related things. Unit number 7 is totally related with letter writing, report writing and blog writing. Unit number 8 is resume writing and email, and unit number 9 is non-verbal communication. Now see, this is the syllabus of your compulsory English, and you from last year we have choice based credit system, and as indicated in the choice based credit system, the subject like other subject under BCom degree course shall have 70 plus 30 pattern. That means there will be written examination of 70 marks of 3 hours duration for this subject, and at the end of each semester the classwork or internal evaluation shall carry 30 marks. Each semester shall have 3 credits for teaching. Now each credit is equal to 15 hours, so this course shall have 45 teaching hours. In addition to that, there shall be 3 hours allotted to internal evaluation, so that there are totally 48 teaching hours. So 70 marks would be for your semester end exam, and 30 marks would be totally devoted to your internal evaluation. That means there would be assignments or there would be presentations. We'll decide afterwards. Now question paper pattern or question paper format is like this. You will have 3 hours for 70 marks. First question is attempt any 3 out of 5 and the marks are 15. Questions are on prose unit first, second and third. Question second is again attempt any 3 out of 5. It is for 15 marks, and the prose units are unit number 3 and 4. Questions on poetry unit number 5 and 6. Question number 3 is attempt any 2 out of 4, and that is for 20 marks. The questions, 2 questions would be on meeting and greeting people and dialogue writing, and 2 questions on group discussion. That means the prose units are divided here, and accordingly the questions would also be divided. That means if in question first, you must have understood that there are 3 questions. So on prose unit 1 there would be 1 question, second question would be on the second prose unit, and third would be on third prose unit. Accordingly the second question is also similar. It is on prose unit third and fourth. Question on poetry also, they are included in this particular question. And in question number 3 there would be dialogues. It is for 20 marks. That means there are 2 questions and each would carry 10 marks. Question paper, this is the question paper pattern of your semester first end exam, and question number 4 would be like this: attempt any 4 out of 6 for 20 marks. There would be 3 questions on interview and interviewing skills and 3 questions on presentation skills. Now there are 4 options, and out of 6 you'll have to write on 4 questions. Again, this is also a kind of a dialogue kind of writing question, and you will have to write dialogue among particular respective members. There would be 3 questions, and there would be 3 questions on interview and 3 questions would be on presentation skills. So again there would be internal evaluation. Internal evaluation would be of for 30 marks. It is applicable for both semester first and second. There would be written test on prescribed text, or there can be a project, group discussion, tutorial, home assignment, seminar, or participation in a classroom activity. And preferably we'll have the assignments for 20 marks. There would be 2 assignments. Now, the semester second exam question paper pattern is like this. There would be question number first, attempt any 3 out of 5 for 15 marks. Question number second, attempt any 3 out of 5 for 15 marks. And question number 3, attempt any 2 out of 4 for 20 marks. Now, the first question would be on prose unit first, second and third. Again, the second question would be on prose unit 4 and 3, and questions on poetry unit 5 and 6. Question number 3 would be on letter writing, report writing, and blog writing. And question number 4 would be on email writing and non-verbal communication. Now, this is the syllabus or evaluation system for your compulsory English subject, and as this is a compulsory subject, you'll have to attempt all of the whatever the internal evaluation is related here. You'll have to submit the assignments, or if we are going to arrange presentations for you or seminars for you, that accordingly you will have to present something. So this is the question paper pattern and syllabus for your compulsory English subject for this year. Thank you.